And that's it. Stick video.
No, if you say so. If you say so.
My partner.
Finally. Yeah.
So I have to do this.
Hello, good evening. My name is Arinze and we're live at the premiere of Headless, the movie. This is an inspiring and a movie that is centered on crimes and robbery, things that happen in the world. So tonight, this movie is by Michel and we can't wait to see what he has scripted for us, as he was one of the producers and directors of Madam Koike. So stick with us, do not touch your dial, and watch us interview some of your favorite actors and actresses in this movie. My name remains Arinze. Hello, good evening, sir. I love the Agbada. And please, no, they said you had like two options. Either you just like a prosecutor or a criminal. So which one are you?
Who do I look like? From what you know about the
You look like
so far?
corrupt politicians.
I just said,
Oh, why? No. Why you putting me in the spot? Okay. Yes, it looks like the cops. Please, exactly. Alright, so we know tonight is the live premiere of Headless, the movie, and we know you're one of the cast. I want to like. Yes, you are. I know you're one of the cast of the movie, and so what was it like being in this project?
The coolest part was, so I'm a big fan of most of the cast.
Okay.
So it's always exciting when you get to do a round table with the people that are like, I like that person. I respect that person.
Yeah.
Oh, that person is good. There's that feeling, yeah. And then I brought to Michael on Madam Koike.
Yes.
And I've known him for a bit.
Okay.
And he's a brilliant mind, brilliant writer. So you already know the script was already busting my brain. So there's not that, okay, mad actors, mad script too. Hopefully I'm ready to not, I'm ready to match up.
Yeah.
And you not get on set and you do your first scene. That's what there's a vibe that starts when you do your first scene.
Exactly.
And from your first scene you get applause.
Wow.
You're like, no, we don't cook my hair.
Exactly. I mean, it's you now. It's you now. Come on.
It helps you with confidence.
Yes, of course.
No matter how much you rehearse, how much you get prepared, there's that ground. Hope you're not spoiling it. Hope you're doing well. So when you just your first scene and it's okay, but like that, you love what you did, director, like, and like, okay.
Yeah, I'm super proud of you anyway. Yes. So, for the audience out there, we were to describe this movie in 3 words. What would you say?
3 words.
Yeah.
Exciting, intriguing, unexpected.
Unexpected. Did you guys hear that? Love that. So come and see this movie. Thank you very much.
Gideon Okeke.
Okay, and you're an actor?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful actor. So tonight we are here for the premiere of Headless, and you're one of the 9 major roles in this movie. How was it like doing this project, the movie Headless? What's the experience like for you?
It was great. One of the hardest hitting performances you've had so far. It was great.
Yeah, okay. So we saw the stunt in the trailer that you pulled. When you wanted to do that, what thoughts were running through your mind at that moment? Because that was something very different and new in the Nollywood industry. So what was the thought that was going through your head at that moment?
Make sure you go back home complete.
Very important.
Make sure you go back home complete.
Yeah, okay, that's true. So tonight we know we have like 2 categories of people, the prosecutors and the criminals. So which one are you?
I'm here as a thief. Yeah, a Nigerian thief. The ones who don't carry guns, the ones who use pens, steal billions. Yeah, I'm representing for the thieves tonight. Nigerian thieves.
Okay, clap that.
Yeah, they know themselves.
Hi, good evening. Hello, my name is Arinze. Please, can you tell us your name and what you do, man?
I am Uzoamaka. I'm an actor.
Okay, plug that. So tonight we're doing the premiere of Headless.
Yes.
I know you're in this project. How was it like being part of something so unique like this crime?
Amazing, actually. It's a regular story of put on it, but it has a twist that you will never really get. So I'm excited to see the film.
Okay.
I don't know, I'm scared, but I'm excited.
Okay, if you had to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say?
Thrilling.
Yes, three.
I say thrilling.
Okay.
Yeah.
And 3 words, yes.
Thrilling, excitement,
Okay.
and mystery.
Mystery. Okay, so that's a twist. I think I want to watch it now.
Yes, that's why I don't want to watch it for.
No, I mean I want to, but now I want to do it more. All right, so tonight we have like 2 categories of people: the prosecutors and the criminals. Which one are you?
What do I look like?
I don't know.
Whatever you want me to be, I'll be.
Okay, but you tell us.
I'm all.
Oh, you're all.
I'm all of
So
them.
anyone,
All of
wherever the suit says,
I
you're
do. Yes,
good.
yes.
Okay, so the stunts. I don't know if you were around when Saw was pulled out in the trailer.
I wasn't, but I was so.
I was gonna ask you how you felt when you played.
God, that's a lot of.
Yes.
So, and I know his body had like some heat for quite some days after
Wow.
that. Yeah, that's actually
Very crazy because a lot of people we didn't see that coming. And we are trying to see how you actually played that how you did. So last thing before you go, what would you like to say to people so they can come watch this movie?
You guys come see Headless. It's a mystery thriller, and I think you'll be really entertained, and you enjoy it.
Okay, thanks very much. Hi, good evening. My name is Arinze and I'm live here with the legendary TV personality, Frank.
Hey, hi, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. So tonight is the live premiere of Headless, the movie. I don't know if you've
Headless.
seen the trailer.
I've not seen the trailer.
Oh.
No, it's you see, that's what I do. Sometimes I don't see trailers. I just go into the movies to watch,
Okay.
so that I'll be more surprised. The trailer gives away some stuff, so I don't even know what movie it is. Like I watched Sinners.
Okay.
I didn't see the trailer.
Yeah.
And at the end, it was a vampire movie.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I was like, so you see that kind
see that
of.
coming,
So I
but
didn't
you
see that.
didn't see the trailer at
I didn't see the trailer. Even in the trailer, it wasn't revealed like that. That it was a vampire movie.
Yeah.
But still, I mean, I like going in blind and be surprised.
True. So saying that the producers of this movie were the ones that did Madam Koi Koi.
Yeah.
So what are your expectations for this movie?
Well, there's no way that movie producers will do something as wonderful as Madame Koi Koi and come and give us something less than that. So I'm eager to see what they're going to do with this one. That's why I didn't watch the trailer. I'm just going to go in blind, watch it, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy myself.
I think I'm positive too.
Yeah.
All right. So lastly, before you go,
Yeah.
we know we have 2 categories of people here tonight: the criminals and the prosecutors.
Oh, we have one?
2 categories of people from the invite.
Okay.
Yeah. So
All right.
which one are you representing tonight?
I don't know what they gave. Wait a minute. They gave people that.
Yes, it's on the invite.
I don't know. I'm sure I'm a prosecutor. I'm
So
sure.
which one of them are you? The CI, FBI, police, Navy?
So I think I'm the judge.
Oh.
And I think I'm. Wait. Did they show it in the invitation?
Yes, it is.
All right. Let me.
You want to check?
Let's check now
Okay,
and
let's
see.
check, yeah.
All right. So, which one is this?
Yeah, this one.
So where? Cops and robbers.
You choose what one you want to represent.
I'm a cop, of course. I'm a cop now.
You arrest everybody, arrest
Well, even the people that don't deserve, I will arrest everybody
arrest
first.
you.
I will arrest everybody first.
Okay, then you just start
Because
questioning
Nigeria
them.
on our own too much. I arrest everybody
Forgive
first. Then
us.
I now start saying, okay, all right, you can go. Hey, you, stay. That's
All
what
right, thank you.
My name is Uzoamaka Power. I am an actor and a filmmaker.
Okay. All right, so we know you're in this project, Headless. We are your life here for Headless movie. We know you played the role of an inspector. So I was like doing this.
It was great. I loved doing it. It's a well told story,
Okay.
and with amazing cast. And when you have a well written script and a brilliant director and a cast who just wants to do great work,
Yeah.
then you're able to flourish whilst you're shooting. So it was beautiful working on the set. Yeah.
All right, thank you. So if you were to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say?
Sorry.
If you were to describe this movie in 3 words, what would that be?
Thrilling, suspenseful, brilliant.
Okay. Why brilliant?
Brilliant because it's well done. And look at the cast on it. Look at the people on it. There's Ubemi Ejeye, who I think is a fantastic actor. There's Gideon Okeke, who is superb.
Yeah.
There's Baj Adebule. There's Uzoamaka Power. There's Mr. Femi Branch. All these people come together under the direction of Michel.
I mean, that's very brilliant.
Yes, it's a no-brainer.
It's a forgive me. I'm sorry. All right, so tonight we know we have the cops and the criminals. So which one are you?
I'm the cop. I'm a
Because
gorgeous cop.
Yeah, of course.
who is out tonight on premiere for a premiere. Yes.
So you're not arrested, but you're just here for a premiere.
Oh, I'm here for a premiere, but please don't do crime because you never know. I might just like wear a jacket and get to work. You know? Yeah.
So, if you have any words to say to the producer, I mean, he's an amazing producer. He was one that did Madam Kwaika in the movie, and he has so part of this project. Would you have words to say? Working with him, do you have anything to say appreciation or something like that?
Oh, thank you for making a brilliant story. Thank you for producing the other film and then doing Headless. And I pray that you continue making great films and that you keep casting me in your great films.
Very important.
Making great films together. Yes.
Very important. Thank you very much. Everyone, I'm here with the legendary Apostle Dr. Eucharia Anunobi. You look very lovely, man. I love the quotes, like blinded.
Don't be smart. I saw them who wear police now.
Exactly.
Let me be the celebrity.
Celebrity?
Police yes.
Okay.
No, so like this time, the police will guard me.
Oh! Okay. So tonight you're live here at the premiere of Headless the movie.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've seen the trailer.
Of course, we'll go there now and see what they have there.
Exactly. So what was it when you saw it? How did you feel? What do you think so
Well,
about?
I know that first and foremost, nothing that is coming to the cinema will be mediocre.
Yes.
You understand me? It can't be mediocre. So naturally, I expect class. And I saw a good movie. Because in this season and time, you know that Nollywood has upgraded.
Yes.
And because Nollywood has upgraded, so surely what we're going to bring out is classic films.
Yes.
To showcase that we are going upward and not downward.
Love that.
Yeah.
All right. So when you saw the movie, what three words could you use to describe the trailer when you saw it?
Well, I want to say it's class. Really. Excited.
All right. So today's also International Women's Day.
Oh, sure.
So first of all, I'm going to wish you a happy International Women's Day.
Thank you.
So how do you feel like being one of the very legendary people that has done so much for the entertainment industry and the women?
I feel excited, and I feel that I'm leading a generation of armies of women my age, those a little bit younger, and the youngest that are coming to tell them to be resilient and never give up.
Yes.
You understand me on who they are, know that they are warrior queens, and that even if they are struggle and that people make them to feel small, they should not feel small, and then go for what you want. Because if you listen to my story and if you have followed my story, I'm the girl child and the father. Well, because of tradition and culture, he felt that women should not have greater education.
Yeah.
But I pushed out there, to fight for myself and say I'm a PhD holder and I'm class all by itself.
Yes,
so I just every girl child. It doesn't matter if your family, friends, society say you are nothing.
Yeah.
Tell yourself, no, I am more than enough. I am greater than what they think, and you can get to the height.
Yeah.
So I say happy International Women's Day to every woman and to every girl, child out there. Tell them, listen, you are greater than what you are. You are a warrior queen.
Yeah, with the beautiful, the sensational Uzoamaka Dada. How are you tonight?
Well, thank you.
All right, that's cool. So we're here for the premiere of Headless movie. I don't know if you've seen the trailer of the movie.
Yes, I have.
So, what are your expectations for this movie
It's a
tonight?
beautiful movie. It was done by the people who did Madam Kwaika.
Yes, and you, okay.
So they're quite family to me.
Yes.
So looking forward to a beautiful film. And I'm looking forward to Gideon's performance.
Yeah, the song. Okay.
Jumping into the water.
Well,
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so last question. Today's International Women's Day for the girl child and every woman out there. So what words do you have to say to that girl child that's probably looking up to you and something to say to make them happy and all that?
Hey girl, child, I want to tell you to dream as big as you can. And guess what? If your dreams do not scare you, they're not big enough, you are able to achieve all the greatness that you want. Because you know why? Some people have cried to pave the way so you can fly. So girl, fly.
Yeah, thank you so much. You have a wonderful night.
My name is Kings Nwachukwu. I'm an actor and a model and a fitness enthusiast.
Wow. Okay. So tonight we know we are here for premiere Headless. The movie. I don't know if you've seen the trailer. Have you seen the trailer? Okay. So when you saw the trailer, what are your expectations right now?
Oh, I was impressed. It's something a different type of action film I've seen in Nollywood, and it was the fact where Gideon, that guy, had to jump from the bridge down. I was impressed. I was impressed to see something like that in Nollywood. So there's more. I mean, and I expect to see a whole lot of action today.
Okay, we are great. So, talking about the stunt that he pulled when he jumped into the web, because a lot of people have been talking about it. Do you think that it's something that is new and refreshing for the Nollywood industry? Those kind of things?
Oh, yes, it is. Very, very. I myself, I'm a stunt actor, and I do jump stunts. I haven't done something like that before, so this is something new. So when I saw it, I was like, okay, this is new, and I love it. And I was impressed, and I can't wait to watch it. I've seen it in the trailer, I've seen it, short clips of it everywhere, so I want to watch it now, and I'm impressed.
So, last question for tonight. What advice you have for your friends to say, like, preparing to be tonight? Say your friends with Gideon. Say your friends with Gideon.
Yeah.
Okay, just one question. What are your words for him? Your words of encouragement? Seeing that he's in cinema right now, preparing his movie, that's a very big deal.
Yeah.
What do you have to say to him?
Okay, I would say I'm impressed, Gideon, and the sky is just a stepping stone. I am here for my girl, Ruby Okeke. I love you so much, love, and we are proud of you. I am my team, super proud of you, and keep going. And we're rooting for you. And you guys, watch out for Headless. Really love you.
Thank you. So, want to know lastly, are you, so now we know there's a team. So, want to know, are you the prosecutor or the criminal?
I'm the prosecutor.
Yes. So, who are you prosecuting? What the prosecutor? Are you a police, Navy, soldier, what? CIA, SIB, FBI?
I'll say CIA or FBI. Yeah.
Okay, you guys be careful. You have FBI around.
Yeah, very I'm here to watch. Okay, so my name is Gideon Okeke, and I'm an artist, composer, and filmmaker.
Wow, great. So tonight we're live here at the premiere of Headless, the movie. I don't know if you've seen the premiere.
Yes, I've seen the preview. Yes,
the trailer, sorry.
That's fine.
Excuse me for that. So, when you saw it, what are your expectations for tonight?
So my expectation is that people will see this amazing film. The director is my friend, my co-author, Uzoamaka, and he's done a fantastic job putting together the stellar cast and this amazing story. So for me, my excitement is that the world gets to see this amazing body of work.
Wow. Okay. All right. So, if you're going to describe this movie in 3 words, what words will you use?
It's shocking, it's fast, and it's brilliant.
So you guys have heard that. So you need to come and watch this brilliant movie. So before you go, I know tonight you're doing the robbers, the criminals, and the prosecutors. So which one are you?
Oh, I'm a CIA. I'm a police inspector. That's my job. I'm a detective, right?
So you're
looking for the bad guys, exactly. Looking for the bad guys, you know.
All right, no problem. So thank you very much. Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
First off, this attire, I want to say
You say that to everybody.
No, I know.
To everybody.
I know, especially the car, bro, like it's given. I love
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
My name is Arinze. Please can you tell the people your name and what you do, ma'am?
My name is Nicole Ofwebu, and I'm a film producer. I was one of the producers for Headless.
Wow,
movie.
okay.
Yes.
Glad that.
Walking the hell out of it.
Exactly. Okay, so I wasn't like producing this movie because it's kind of new. It's not something that is like very ordinary Nigerian type of movie. So I was like,
it was great producing this movie. The cast, the crew was super collaborative. We had an amazing director, Mr. Michel. We just, it was such a safe set. It was so safe being on set. You just trust that everything is going well. Whatever needs to be ready is ready. My only fear was when Gideon walked up to me and he's like, Nicole, I want to do that stuff myself. And I'm like, no, you do not. No.
Yes,
Don't do that.
yes,
No, he trusted us and we trusted him, and he came out great, and I'm so grateful. I'm so glad he did it.
Yeah, because when I saw it, I was like, geez, like it's not common.
But I almost like, my eyes were closed.
Actually, what was your reaction at that moment? Like,
My eyes were closed throughout the storm. I was like, is he out? Is he out? Is he out? I was like, nah. But like, we had all of the safety measures. We had water ambulances. We had divers in the water.
Okay.
Jumped
So
in.
that was like,
So yeah, no, it was safe. I know he was safe.
Yeah.
Just my anxiety. I was like, I beg you, come outside.
I get. So if you were to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say?
Confusing.
Why?
Because even up until the end, you'd be like, wait, what?
Okay. Now I'm very intrigued. I want to see what's about.
Yeah, you would enjoy it. You thank me like,
Okay. Okay. That's on period. All right. Lastly, can you do a shout out for us? Your name and how much is it? Even though they have done.
it's a hard world.
Wow.
My name is Nnamdi Nwizu.
Okay.
I'm one of the managing partners of Commercial Partners, and we're one of the people who finance the movie. You see our name over there on the board.
Headless.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we know tonight is the black premiere of the movie. I don't know if you've seen the trailer. Being one of the financiers, you've seen the trailer.
I've seen the movie.
Oh, you've seen the movie.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm not going to spill the beans. You have to watch
Okay.
and see what happens.
Okay, but if you were to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say it is?
Fantastic, thrilling, need to watch.
Need to watch. Clock that. You guys should go watch this movie. So tonight we know we have 2 categories of people: the prosecutors and the criminals. Which one are you?
Prosecutors and the criminals.
So which one are you tonight?
I'll definitely be prosecutor. I went black like the police, right?
No. Only black. Everybody wear black too.
Oh,
You are the police.
well.
Okay, fair enough. So who are you looking out for to catch tonight?
I mean, I'll say it's a lovely movie. Who am I looking at? I'm looking out for everybody.
Okay.
But a fantastic performance by all of them.
Yeah.
Gideon on point.
Wow.
So we'll be interested to see him. I'm sure he'll be around here
Yes,
soon
yes.
if he's not here already.
Okay.
But you should watch this performance. Fantastic.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hi, my name is Okeke. I'm an actor. I'm actually here for Headless because I'm one of the actors on Headless.
All right. So being part of this project, Headless, is something that is not the same and the storyline is not something that is ordinary among the Nollywood industry. How was it like being part of this project?
Oh yeah, I was really excited being on this project because this is my first action thriller kind of film. So yeah, it was quite demanding, but it was just easy work for me because I wanted to be there.
Yeah.
So it was different.
So were you on set when you did this stunt?
No, I wasn't, but I watched it over and over. Like I saw some clips and I watched it over and over again. I was so stunned.
What's like,
wow.
Like, can you do something like that?
I would love to try it. I'm quite adventurous, but oh my god, I don't know. What if I get there and I can't move, I can't jump, I can't do anything
like that?
But anyways, yeah.
There are things like that.
Exactly. For putting that stunt.
It is very good. So if you were to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say?
Action, fast goes.
That's like 7.
I feel
like a lot of words.
Every scene is hot.
Okay.
Hot, and it's progressing like that.
Wow, so it's like hot, back to back.
Yeah, back to back.
So you think that's what will make viewers come see?
Of course, yes, and I'm sure once people watch it, they're gonna tell people about it. Trust me.
Okay.
No doubt.
Okay. So tonight we know we have the cops and the prosecutors and criminals.
Yeah.
That's coming. So which one are you tonight?
Of course, the criminals. I'm a sassy criminal. But you can't see me coming.
Oh.
I'll just come and these guys, and then I'll take what I need to take, and I'm out.
Okay, guys, be very careful.
Yeah.
You guys be very careful tonight.
I play Opalara, so yeah.
Oh.
She's that type of girl.
I'm Jay Franklin, Chitubo, and I'm the producer of Headless. Come join me.
A round of applause, people.
How are you? Meet my superstar.
Oh, I've interviewed already.
Oh, good. It's good to see you.
Okay, thank you. So, this project, Headless the movie, how was it like being a producer? What was the challenges for you?
I mean, making a film in Nigeria, first of all, is not an easy process, not an easy task. But making Headless was extra special because we had a whole lot of things that worked
against us because we're making a film where you had to jump off the bridge, where you had to control traffic, where you had to shoot in places that weren't necessarily allowed to be shot in. Yeah, I mean, it was a tedious task, but it was done and it was done well. So that's all I have to say.
Exactly. So if you wanted to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you tell the people?
Fast, interesting, and suspenseful.
Interesting. Which brings you to the part of the stunt. When you wanted to shoot that particular scene, how was it like? What was the thought going to your head?
I mean, because I'm a swimmer, professional swimmer, for me it was easy in my head. But then again, I had to put myself in the shoes of the actor, whom I realized wasn't the best swimmer and had not done something from that height before. So we had to go through a whole process of training, practicing from various heights before we got to the height where he jumped on the bridge. So it was really a thing of preparation. We had what's it called? Sea ambulance, water ambulance, safety and everything there, just in case anything happened.
So our safety measures were
well observed.
It's okay. So lastly, before you go, I'd like you to today is International Women's Day. So who's a special woman you like to
shout out to all the women in the world? Shout out to my mama. First of all, I want to say, Mama, I love you. I want to say I love you, my beautiful wife, Uzoamaka, and all the fine women out there. God bless you, my sisters, aunts, everybody. Happy International Women's Day.
Thank you.
J-Love, yeah.
Mr. Erasmus, you made your film, right?
Nicole.
Okay, today is International Women's Day, so I want to just give a shout out to all the women in the house. As you can see, it's a female-led film. The detectives were women, both on the bad side. So today's International Women's Day, so yes, I want to recognize all the women in the house. And also something I want to do, our dear friend Mr. Erastus Banerjee, Gideon Okeke, lost his mother a few months ago and she was laid to rest last week. I'd like us to observe a 1 minute of silence for Gideon's mother. May her gentle soul rest in peace. Amen. So I want to thank everyone here. I want to thank the audience. I want to thank my cast and crew for this film. The amount of work that the people you see here put into making this film is just an amazing amount of work. And we were able to do this on time, on schedule, and on budget. In 13 days. So we shot this film, principal photography was 13 days, including the Gideon jump, the famous jump from Falmouth Bridge. Okay, so can we appreciate Gideon for trusting me to do that jump? Badge, can we thank Badge for letting me put a stone in his shoe so that he could limp properly with the right leg? So all through the shoot, Bad had a stone in his right foot, his right shoe, yeah. So even when he was not shooting, he kept walking around with a stone in his shoe. He said he didn't want to get out of character, So thank you, Badge. Thank you, Gubemi, for the smile at the end. Thank you, Ruby, for letting us do things to your head. Yeah, Uzoamaka, that's our Inspector Jane Goff1. And then she was saying the other day that there are so many similarities between her and the character, in that she loves justice, she loves to work out, she likes to, fix things, get to the bottom of things. So thank you for the performance. Our associate producer, Ijeoma Aniebo. Production team, Nicole, the harasser. Jay Franklin. Yeah, Nicole, you used to harass all of us. Jay Franklin, Kevin T. Solomon. The editor is Sonny. Editor and post-production supervisor. A lot of people are on set, they're shooting, which is why they're not here today. Who else is here? Who else is here? So many other people who worked on this film. They're not here. I mean, several people are still on set. So thank you everyone for coming. The movie is out for release in cinemas March 13th. That's on Friday. So go out, tell people, come watch it. Did you enjoy the film? And this was done with the active participation of our financial partners, Vertiva, commercial partners, Sage Grey. Where is Fountain Pictures? Not around? It's supposed to be. Fountain Pictures. Sage Grey here. They financed the publicity and all of this, so Sage Grey. So again, there's financing available for film in Nigeria if you know the right people to talk to. And I do. If you have any questions for anyone, or Gideon, you want to say anything? Anybody want to say anything? Anybody?
So thank you everyone for coming out. We really appreciate your presence here. The film goes live on Friday 13th, so please post about it, share your thoughts, and tell a friend to to watch Headless. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Have a great evening. Okay, let's take a bow.
Sorry, 1 minute. Let everybody move back. I've been saying it since. Sorry. What? It's too wide. This is too wide. But you take it. Oh, right. I see. Light me up. Leon, light me up. Okay. Right. You go cash for you.
Take a bow.
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Headless.
Gidiga. A bad man tech. Big bad man tech. What's up?
Look up on me. That's true. Hello. Hey! I saw you in the movie. Did you enjoy this time around?
I'm so happy. Thank you.
Let's try the neck together. Let's go. So, really?
The weekend guy.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice to see you again. Yeah.
Hey!
How far now?
Yes, you're supposed to be around.
Please make us a video. Where did you do this?
I'm doing it.
Why don't I keep saying she looks much better in real
My partner.
Finally. Yeah.
So I have to do this.
I am. His phone. I can see your phone. His phone. Please, I can see your phone.
Hey, good.
Majid. Yes.
What's your reaction on this movie?
It was okay. I so much love it.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you. Hi, good evening. So what's your reaction on the movie? You just finished watching.
It was amazing.
Okay.
It wasn't like the usual, you see.
Yeah.
I like the storyline. Kept me guessing the whole time.
Yeah.
So amazing. I like it. Yeah. Good as Michael.
Amazing. Suspense film, wonderful. We had fun. Everybody go see Headless.
Please, what's your reaction on the movie? You just finished watching.
Very, very good. One of the best I've seen in Nigeria.
Wow.
And guess what? You cannot tell the twist from the beginning.
Oh yeah, it was this. Okay, so people, you guys will go and watch it. Have you told them?
Of course, I'll go and I'll let my people know.
All right. Please, what's your reaction on the movie? You just
Wonderful, fantastic.
I love it. Okay, thank you. Hello, sir. Please, what's your reaction on the movie?
Every money I spent was worth it. Every money I paid for was worth it.
Thank
and
you.
I paid a lot of money to be here.
Dope. Amazing.
It was a beautiful and comic.
Thank you. Hello, ma. What's your reaction on the movie?
It was really good. I had a good time watching it. Yeah. Clock it.
Thank you. Please, what's your reaction on the movie? Just finish
It's
watching.
fantastic. It's great.
Fantastic. Okay.
Great film, yeah. Go see it. March 13th.
Amazing.
Okay.
Everything ticked the box for me. Good movie.
Okay, thank you. What's your reaction, ma?
It was really, really interesting and intriguing as well.
Thank you. Just finish watching.
It was fantastic. Did you guys watch the bridge jump?
Yes, we did. Okay.
Amazing.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Very, very. In fact, you get sucked into it. It was like, yeah, this is what happens sometimes. It's really organic. Yeah, beautiful, brilliant performance.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. And that is it on the wrap of Headless, the movie produced by Michel, the one and only. And you know when you hear the name, you only expect the best. So tonight, we're ready from the guys, ready from the cast, the crews, and everybody. And you know what they said. It's thrilling, it's exciting, it's captivating. And we're sitting by ourselves. So on the 13th of March, make sure to go to cinemas to go watch this beautiful movie. I'm pretty sure it's going to be worth your money. Your mama said so. AK Media said so. Society Plus said so.